Alright, we are now starting the process to see if this leak down there, sorry I'm using my work light for a good light, there we go. See if this coolant leak is from this O-ring or the mechanical seal. I'm not going to clean it yet because I really want to get a good look at what is dripping, and we'll probably end up replacing the mechanical seal anyway. So here we go. Alright, we are this far into my mechanical seal process. Here's my, oops, sorry, I'm trying to look at the camera. My impeller, looking pretty good, which is awesome. Please don't fall on the groundcrete. My Polo Mint is what they call that, I guess. And there's my old mechanical seal. And then looking inside there, it's looking pretty clean. So I ordered the new seal. I'm actually using the YAMaha part from Amazon until I can take this whole engine out, take out the whole crankcase, and I'm actually going to bore this out and put in the actual Honda part, because behind this is the rear oil seal, which was also leaking through the weep hole. Let's see if I can get, I've cleaned a lot, but that's the weep hole right there. So I had engine oil on here, which is, I took a photo and asked a bunch of guys on the CX500 forum, and that's what they said. It's probably oil. It's probably my oil seal that is broken, not this. But they said, while you're doing this, you might as well replace that mechanical seal anyway. So here I am. And I will have to tell you, I'm using a shop light right here, and the best 10 bucks I ever spent, see if it'll focus, is getting those LED bulbs. Thing's freaking awesome. This thing is not hot, not at all. And since I took out my air box, let me show you. Took out my air box because I'm cleaning it. It was full of dirt. And the tubes that go from the air box to the carburetor had dust in it. So those need cleaned because I'm cleaning my carbs really well. I really don't want to get more dust inside of them. So that's where I'm at in the process. I'm at a bit of a standstill. I've ordered carb parts too. So we're just cleaning up the bike. Alright, it's been a long time because when I took all this stuff out and had all the parts sitting here, I actually lost this part right there, that washer right there is called the thrust washer. I lost mine, so I had to order a new one, which is fine because then I was able to, I also bought a new copper crush washer and a new cap washer for on top of the impeller. But yeah, I got the new mechanical seal glued in there. And we're gonna take my impeller, oh my gosh, and then drop it and break my Polo Mint. That'd be so much fun. Find your threads, and there we go. Got my nice clean impeller on there. And my new crush washer. And new cap washer. Give that a turn and it's all on there. Look at that, so shiny. We're gonna get that torqued down. Oh my gosh, focus, jeez. We're gonna get that torqued down, but then that is it for the mechanical seal fix. I've got a new gasket for my water pump. Gonna get that all put back together.